Hey guys, today I'm going to show you that I can fit inside my LG washing machine. I can get inside. Don't worry, it's not a problem. Yeah, I can fit in my washing machine. Yeah, it does that because I unplugged it. Because that's for how the drum can move easily now. But I didn't need to unplug it, and it did. Also, this is extra because I washed it. I also dried it. And just for jokes, I can actually get inside. And I stubbed my toe. God damn it. How did I actually stub my toe? Oh, I hit the flip thing. It hit one of these. But I'm still gonna get inside it because I actually like getting inside. I have no idea how. But I said I can get inside a front load washing machine. And also this one's really small. And it's 5 years old. When we moved into this house, we actually got the washing machine 5 years ago. The seal just it's like breaking when we work inside. Look guys, look. It's kind of breaking. Bye guys. See you later.